Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sister, the first-person narrator, in the short story Why I Live at the PO, causes external conflicts within her family as a result of her inner conflicts, such as lack of self-confidence and a demanding need to be the center of attention.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The clues in the title, Why I Live at the PO, emphasis added. The story's a monologue, which, like all monologues, is told in first-person narrative. Essentially, the narrator is telling us the long, convoluted tale of how she came to live in the post office where she is the postmistress.
Let's help you make your mark.
Humor is woven throughout Why I Live at the PO, and no character escapes Sister's appraising, comically judgmental eye. Her humorous tone is a means of deflecting unpleasant realities, a mask that she can hide behind to avoid showing her true feelings.
Take our lead.
Whitaker, and returned to the family home in Mississippi. Sister had briefly dated Mr. Whitaker before Stella Rondo became engaged to him. Stella Rondo arrives from Illinois, accompanied by Shirley T., a little girl she claims is her legally adopted daughter.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.